Hi all, welcome to our channel. Today we'll be showing you how to make a paper swan. First and foremost you require is a square sheet paper. If you do not have one, take a rectangular paper, fold it this way and cut the remaining and have a square sheet paper as shown. Open it up. Ensure that the corners are very sharp pointed while doing this folding which I'm showing, so that it is very it comes a beautiful beak for the swan that we are going to do through the paper craft. Okay, please ensure that the corners come very nicely. Okay, fold it as shown. Okay, you see it? Yeah, this way. Ensure it's a sharp beak for the swan. Now fold it into almost 3/4 of it, but always ensure that the pointed is going to be sharp. Yeah, this might be a little problematic, but you will have to ensure so that the beak comes out very beautiful. So repeat the same thing on the either side. We've done it on this side, now do it on the other side. Just replicate it. But again, as I said, be careful with the beak. Yeah, have it here. Now open it up. You'll see it like this. The directions where you folded this, turn it, fold it almost 3/4. Let's say 70%. Yeah, this way. Just close it, press all the sides or all the directions that we have. Now take this in one hand and the other in another. Just open it up so that you get the neck of the swan. Okay. Yeah, here you go. Press it. Now take the tip of it, push it inside a bit, and this way. Push it inside a bit. You can angle it. Yeah. You see, the swan is ready. Just take a pen, color the eye. Now our paper swan is ready. Easy and simple to make. Try it at home. Please let us know how you like this video. Like, share, subscribe.